there, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scrap Madness, a video a day where Laura and I do this a video a day and we have a guest designer. That is the sketch I will be doing. So our guest designer today is Lisa Kingston. She is a pink glitter scrapper over on YouTube. I will link her down below. She and I met about a year, oh golly, no, actually it's been longer than that, probably about 2.5 years, 3 years ago. And we really connected once I moved back from Germany and I started having my own YouTube channel. We've done tons of collaborations together. She is in school. I've got her to go to college, to the same college that I went to. So we've become really good social media friends. We've never met in person. We talk about it and I think we're going to be able to make it happen. But I know that she has kind of taken a break because of college. It's a lot for her to do since it's been a while since she's been in school in general. So she is only doing like what she feels is like important to her, and obviously I'm important to her, so she definitely got on and got something done. I saw her layout. It's absolutely gorgeous. She saw mine too. And so make sure you go check her out. Please like and subscribe all of our channels if you are not a subscriber. If you are new, welcome. I have been grabbing new subscribers here and there and I'm very thankful. So if you are new to my channel, I hope that you guys are enjoying the content. I know that Laura and I are crazy by doing a video a day, but one, it gets you to know other people. Two, we like having you. So the sketch is from Page Maps. From what year, I have no clue. I'll link the pin down. This is one of my go-to grid layouts. Everybody has been doing grid layouts. And I'm like, I gotta do a grid layout. And then I happen to see somebody, to be really truly honest, with the amount of layouts that go up on a daily basis, I cannot remember who used the Pink Fresh Studios grid layout for her layout. Oh, I'm not sure if I saw it. It could have been on the Hip Kit, so it might have been maybe one of theirs, or it could have been on a personal channel. I'm not for sure, but I absolutely love the idea. And if I can remember who it is, I'll link it down below the video that I saw. But either way, it's a grid layout. There's tons of people that are out there. I always love to be able to give credit where credit is due. So anybody and everybody that's been doing grid layouts, this one is for them, because there's been tons, right? So what I am doing is that I am trying to use up all of my Indigo 2 collection. I absolutely love it. I added the Joy Day collection as well. And the I think it's called Out and About. Anyway, with all of it, it's all Pink Fresh Studio. And this one had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful little grid lines on it. And the colors match perfectly for my son. And so it worked out well that I didn't have to really get out the ruler or anything, because it works. It absolutely works for me. And sorry for my head there. Gotta love my head, right? What I decided to do is that my two photos are inside the little framed right there. And then I added a couple of Pink Fresh Studios, and then I go to town. This layout, I think, took me about 30 some minutes, give or take. I've been trying to stay caught up, and right before we left to go on our little mini vacation that my husband and I went on, actually when this goes up, we'll probably be almost back home, but obviously follow me on social media. You'll know exactly where we went and what we've been doing. But essentially, it's our wedding anniversary at the end of this month, and we always go somewhere for our wedding anniversary. Doesn't matter where we go, we just end up going somewhere, just the two of us, and we try to do about a week or a little bit more, depending on the situation with his work, because as you guys know, my husband's in the military and we just never know. And so I got behind. I didn't get behind, but I felt behind because I felt rushed a little bit on my last few layouts because we left for a certain amount of time and I had to make sure that these layouts were up and whatnot for you guys as well. So I didn't want them to feel rushed, but I did a little bit. So I decided to go back to my little normal of grid layouts because that's what makes me feel not rushed. It makes me hone back in, gets me feeling again, and then I'm able to scrap. So I've been doing 2 videos a night, 2 to 3 videos a night, and I've been like trying to kill it as much as I possibly can so I can stay ahead. But anyway, back to the layout. I'm filling in everything. I'm getting out all of my little bits. Like I said, I'm using like 3 different collections for Pink Fresh Studio. And I absolutely love how this turned out. I got my puffy stickers out. I got a lot of bit of stuff on this. And of course, you all know I love to embellish. And I really didn't put extra papers on this because I embellished heavy. Off camera, I will let you know that I do my silver splatters and add sequence mix on it as well. I didn't do that on camera because you all know how to splatter. I hope you guys do. And you all know how to add sequence mix. At least I hope you all do. If you don't, let me know. And I hope that you guys are enjoying this. I know I say that kind of throughout the whole month, but I'm glad that you guys have all joined me. I'm glad that you guys are sticking around to watch what I've done. I hope that if you guys are YouTubers yourself, that you do the scrappy tag that was posted on the 15th. Laura's going to be doing hers shortly, and I know that once we start going, I'm hoping that other people will do the scrappy tag as well. It's a great way to get to know us just a tad bit more, I feel, and learn a little bit more about us. And we just wanted to do something different for y'all. So that's kind of why we did what we did on the I did on the 15th, and I know Laura's gonna get hers up as well if she hasn't done it already. I've been trying to stay up on social media while I'm gone, but you know. Oh, excuse me. You know that how that goes sometimes. It just doesn't work that way. And I'm sorry for the nose. It has been allergy infested. It's like pollen. So while you guys are watching this, I've got to tell you how I have come together of stating that here in the state of Georgia, we don't get rain. When we get rain, it comes with a form of pollen. So I've been calling it pollerain. So it's like pollen and rain made into one word. I know it's not a word, but I swear that's what's coming down. It's not rain anymore because it doesn't wash any of the pollen off our vehicles. My husband's truck is supposed to be navy blue and it looks green. And like my garbage cans, every time I close the lid or any of that sort, it's just piled on there. I can't even go to my backyard right now because my deck is so full of it that I don't even want to walk out there. It's like not even my happy place to go read anymore. I gotta wait for all of this to disappear. And it's just a mess. I hate it. And welcome to Georgia. If you don't live in this area, we are the worst state in the United States for allergies. I know why and whatnot. So I just wanted to show you guys. I am going to be here shortly doing a few things, and then pretty much this layout is done. The still shots are coming up for sure. I did get out the sequence mix. They are from Spiegel Mom Scraps. That is what I put at the end along with, like I said, the splatters. I do know that this will be coming up short, so make sure that you go check out the other ladies. They have awesome layouts as well for today. And let's see here, what else do I do? I've been filming so much that I have to remember which layout I've done for what. By the way, this is another set that I am done with projects. This was my last family photo set that I had to do, and now I went on to a couple of things. I'm part of a hop, so make sure that you check back. So the hop is landing on the 23rd of for us here in the eastern coast, it's on the 23rd. My layout won't go live until around 3 o'clock because of the particular person that we are doing the hop for. So once you get to that point, you will know exactly what I am talking about, because the layout will be up that late so that this particular person can be around. That is the awesome part about it. So my title is going to be called Love This Dude, and it's of my son. Let me tell you, when he's a freshman now, as you guys know. He lived with us all the way up until his 8th grade year. So we had Josh and I had him together from when he was 3, like full-time I should say. Now we're still parents obviously, but we only get him, now we get him on the flip side. So now we get him for Christmas and for the summer. But yeah, so that's these pictures. The still shots are right here, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.